Hey and welcome to this tutorial. From this video you're gonna learn how to create a responsive parallax effect with the help of Elementor page builder and JetTricks plugin that you can get on TemplateMonster.com/Elementor marketplace. I will leave a link to this plugin in the description down below so you can go and check this out yourself. Okay, now let me prove you that this parallax effect is really responsive. Let's go to developers mode and see it on a tablet screen. As I scroll down, the elements are still moving independently, and we can see the layout as it will look like on an iPad. And now let's go ahead and see it on an iPhone X. Here we go, it's still moving and looks perfectly on a mobile screen. Now let's go to Elementor page builder and have a look at how you can create it yourself. First of all, let's create a new section and drop a spacer on it so we can have some space above our elements, and then we will create another section split in two, and let's drop an image on the left one. And then for another column, let it be some text. Let's make it a little bigger. And we're ready with the preparations. And for now, I want these two elements to overlap. And now to enable the parallax effect, all we need to do is to stay in the Advanced tab, go to JetTricks, and enable parallax effect. And when I will be scrolling down, I'll be seeing the movement of this element. It will be following me as I will be scrolling down, like that. You can increase the speed of the parallax so the effect is a little bit more noticeable. Okay, here we go, and since we will be creating a responsive parallax effect, we will enable it on a mobile phone as well. So here we see that it's active for a desktop layout, for a tablet layout, and for a mobile layout now as well. Now let's go ahead and do the same with the image. JetTricks, use parallax, yes. But I want to invert it, so as I scroll down the image moves up, but the text moves down, so you see that they move in different directions. And let's also enable it on mobile phones. Okay, here we go. And now one little thing that we need to do is to go to responsive mode and check out how it looks on a tablet. I guess no, tablet looks fine, and we don't really need to tweak any settings for it to work properly, because you see there are still two columns in the section. But when we go to mobile view, we see that in mobile view the columns, they kind of stuck on top of each other, and this is not the effect that we want. And now what we need to do is to go to the column with our image, go to Advanced, and set the margin to 0 so we can see the whole image. And now what we need to do with the text is to go to Advanced again, put the margin to 0 for now, and what I want to do is to make the heading a little bit smaller. And I'm gonna go to typography in the style tab, and in the size you see that this circle with the little mobile phone inside is now glowing with blue, and it means that the settings that you're gonna apply now will only be visible on mobile phones. So now I'm changing the size, but these changes will only be applied to the mobile layout. Like that, this is the size that I want to go with, and I go back to advanced. So what I need to do is unlink the margin values and set the top margin to -300. So it now looks like that. Again, you can tweak the speed of your parallax effect right here and Jet Tricks tab. Now let's publish this page and go ahead and have a look on the actual website. So here we go. The desktop layout looks fine, the parallax effect is working. Now let's see it on the iPad. Here we go. Again, you can go to tablet mode and tweak the margins so the heading and the image overlap each other just the way that you want them to. And then the iPhone X layout, and here we go. So as you see, the parallax effect is there and the content is displayed properly on a mobile phone, on a desktop, and on a tablet device. As I've said, creating the parallax effect was possible with the help of Jet Tricks plugin. So go ahead, check out this plugin and try to create your own parallax effect. I hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching!